Hello, this is Tony Tornado, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys subscribe with those notifications turned on for all the latest content.
Hi guys, it's me, Mantha, and guess what? All you motherfuckers are gonna subscribe to my channel, asses! You know why? I want to get more subs on my channel, okay? Let me just let you know that right now. I'm going to get more subs on my channel. I want to get 1,000 subs. Yay! But you guys act like assholes with your fucking dickhead, fucking clown ass, fucking shit. We don't want to subscribe to Mantha because we don't like Mantha. Shut the fuck up. Just shut the fuck up. Okay? Why don't you just subscribe to my channel to get me at over 1,000 subscribers? Yay! That will be mega fun and mega awesome and mega everything. Yay! But you guys need to stop being fucking dumbasses and fucking do your own shit. Fucking hit that subscribe button. That sub button is literally right there. You don't even have to move. You can sit down like I am right now and just lift your finger like this and tap, tap, and tap that sub button. Okay? And then you can turn on your notifications for when I upload. And you'll be in some awesome ass shit. Okay? You guys want to subscribe to me. I do awesome content. Like, you want to know the content I do? I do content like vlogs and videos, and I put together videos and all this cool shit. Will you get that on anybody else's channel? Not really. Not really. Not really. Because I do awesome editing. My editing is awesome. Well, everybody else's, well, their editing can fill up their own ass. And it fucking sucks ass. Okay? So subscribe to me. Yay! Yay! Subscribe to me. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to me! Yay! Subscribe to me, because we want you, me and Pennywise. Well, not Pennywise. It's a clown, because we're the clown awesomeness. Yay! Mega yay! Mega ultra super yay! Mega ultra super yay! Mega ultra super yay! Mega ultra yay. Mega ultra subscribe to me. Wait, I got a song. Ready for me to sing a song to get you to subscribe to my channel? Are you ready? 'Cause I'm ready. Yay! Ready? Let's do this. Subscribe to Mantha. Yay! 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 Mega ultra super yay! Mega ultra super yay! Yay! Ultimate yay! Subscribe to me! 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 Yay! Subscribe to my channel! Yay! We do awesome stuff on my channel. Well, everyone else's channel stinks. Like mega stinks. Alternate universe stinks. It all stinks. Something stinks. Yay. So that's why you subscribe to Mantha. Yay! Subscribe to Mantha. Yay! Subscribe to Mantha. Yay! And don't be a dumbass fucking motherfucker that acts like they know what's best by being a Mr. Bitch and not subscribing! Don't be a Mr. Bitch! Mr. Bitch! Mr. Bitch! Okay? Don't be a Mr. Bitch and subscribe to my channel! Yay! Mega yay! Mega yay! Mega yay! Yay! Super ultra mega yay! Super ultra mega yay! Oh shit! Super ultra mega yay! Yay! Everybody yay! Subscribe to Mantha. Everybody yay! Subscribe to Mantha. Everybody yay! Subscribe to Mantha. Yay! And don't load it up with a bunch of bullshit. Just hit that sub button. That's all you gotta do. Yay! Super ultra mega yay! Yay! Super ultra mega yay! Yay! Super ultra mega yay! Yay! I am the best! I am the best! Subscribe to me! Subscribe to me! I am the best! I am the best! Subscribe to me, Mantha, yay! Subscribe to Mantha, yay! Subscribe to Mantha, yay! Get me to 1,000 subscribers because I want to be there and I'm tired of this bullshit! Yay! Subscribe to me! Yay! Subscribe to Mantha. Yay! Subscribe to Mantha. Yay! Subscribe to Mantha. Yay! And don't load it up with their bullshit excuses. Hit that sub button and you'll become an awesome member of the Mantha gang. Yay! the Mantha gang. Yay, and guess what I have to say? Don't be a bullshitter!